How to reset your Amazon password if you forgot it. So if you want to reset your Amazon password if you forgot it, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser, because you can't do that from your application, and the browser will be an easy option for you. So you need to go with any browser that you're comfortable with and search for Amazon sign-in. Once you've searched for it, now you need to go with www.amazon.com, which will take you to the sign-in page. And here you need to just go with your email address. So first you need to enter the email address, and after that you need to enter the password. But if you don't remember your password and if you've forgotten it and if you want to reset, then you just need to simply go with forgot password, which is on the right side, and you need to enter the mobile number or the email address that you want the assistance with. So I'll just simply enter the email address and go with continue. And here it says that for security reasons, we've sent code to your email address. So you just need to simply go with your email address. If you have it on your mobile device, then you can go with on the mobile device and copy the code. You can just tap on it and it will open up that email. You will have the code right here. So tap on the code, copy, go back, paste the code right here, tap on submit code, and after that it will take you to the password assistance. From here you'll be able to create a new password. So enter a new password on the first blank and then again re-enter your password, and after creating your new password you can go with save changes and your password will be changed. That's how you can reset your Amazon password if you forgot it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.